The sun is scolding hot. My roots are burning. Leaves are withering. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Why don't you water me? I need some shade. Put up a canopy to protect my canopy. This fruit I bear you, this nourishment. How dare you take me for granted? The gophers are tunneling. The birds are circling. I need some protection. I need some shade. This soil is not ideal. It doesn't drain properly. I need some ground coverage. I need some shade. The gophers, the squirrels, the birds, they eat my fruit. They throw their shade. The pests, the insects, they infect. They throw their shade. Gatekeepers, open the gate. Let the one who cares for me, the gardener, take care of me and relieve my shade. Thank you.